We won the contract to commission an entirely new high volume assembly line for one of the big three. And our lead PLC programmer just gave his 2 weeks' notice. The launch date was locked. The customer was not going to move it. Without two more controls engineers who could program Alan Bradley, who knew Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk inside and out, who could walk onto that plant floor in Shelby Township and start commissioning from day one, we were going to blow the deadline. Penalty clauses alone would have buried us, and nobody local was available. That is when our project manager, Sarah, who spent 9 years at a Tier 1 supplier in Detroit, asked if anyone had tried AutomateAmerica.com. She said they are the world's largest automation service network with over 40,000 professionals across North America. They fill highly specialized controls and robotics positions within hours, when, where, and only for as long as you need them. We pulled up AutomateAmerica.com right there in the engineering office. One search for PLC programmers with automotive commissioning experience near Southeast Michigan returned 8 professionals available immediately, several with Ford and GVOSS background at rates below what we had budgeted. The relief in that room was instant. We were going to make this launch. Then we remembered the 3 contracts we passed on last year because we could not staff them fast enough. We could have taken every single one if we had realized that skilled professionals were truly on demand now. Your number one problem, manpower, has been solved. No more worry about finding highly skilled professionals anymore. The marketplace has been united, and you now have access to the skilled professionals you need when and where you need them. Automate America on site, remote, and hybrid professional, enabling you to do more.